friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amartya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on ESP32 for the first time in PictoBlox. So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, LDR sensor, breadboard, jumper wires, resistor, and LED LDR sensor with ESP32, DO with digital pin 13, GND with GND, VCC with 3 volt. Then I have connected LED with ESP32, long leg with digital pin 2 with resistor, short leg with GND. Now I am in PictoBlox. Now I will go to board and select ESP32. Then I will connect it. Now let's start coding. Now I will choose when ESP32 starts up. Then I will go to Control and choose Forever Loop. Inside Forever Loop, I will choose If Then Else block. Inside If Then Else block, I will go to Operators and choose equals to block. And then I will go to ESP32 and choose Read Status of Digital Pin. Here I will put 13. I chose pin 13 because I have connected LDR with ESP32 in pin 13 equals to 1. Now I will choose set digital pin to output as high. I chose pin 2 because I have connected LED with pin 2 of ESP32. So output as high, which means if LDR sensor sends dark, LED will glow. And now I will again choose set digital pin to output as low, which means LED will not glow. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Putting the code, I have to mention you that I put here equals to 1, which means LDR is sensing dark, so LED will glow. Now I will finally upload the code. So code is uploaded successfully. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will take my hand closer to LDR sensor. Now you can see the LED is glowing. Now I will take my hand far away from LDR sensor. Now the LED is not glowing. I will turn off the lights of my room. Now you can see the LED is glowing. Now I will turn on the lights of my room. Now the LED is not glowing. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.